In a country built on the principles of community, cooperation, and empowerment, in the early 1900s, a movement emerged that would forever change the landscape of banking in the United States. From their humble beginnings, credit unions have grown to become a force in the American financial landscape for their driven shared belief in the power of people helping people.
People helping people is the whole essence of credit unions, coming together for the common good. A bank is owned by its shareholders who may not be its customers, but with a credit union, our members are our owners. On the banking side, there's essentially two masters to serve. The shareholders want a return on their investment, and then the customers want a good deal as a customer. But with credit unions, we don't have that conflict of interest because our members and our owners are one and the same.
Very early on, we were pretty much plain vanilla credit union. We did quickie loans and signature loans, so we had no risk whatsoever. But it was about the credit union movement. It was about people helping people. We cared about the members, and that's what made the difference in the growth of Piedmont Aviation, Piedmont Advantage Credit Union over the past 50 years.
I was only 25 years of age. And back then, I'll be honest with you, I really didn't know much about a credit union. But meeting these people face to face, then you realize the importance that the credit union meant to those people. We started out with no employees, and of course today we have over 100 and some. And of course at the year end, I had total assets were a little over $400 million.
Banking has become more automated and impersonal, where ambitions of growth and profit seem to move ahead of what's in the best interest of the individual. Known for their people helping people shared belief, credit unions always put their members first.
With credit unions, we're not-for-profit financial cooperatives, so we're not driven by the bottom line. We're driven by enhancing the lives of the members and the communities that we serve. So when we see our members realize the dream of home ownership or buying that first car, getting out of debt, sending their kids to college, all of those are ways in which that enhances the bottom line of the credit union for all of us. I believe in a rising tide lifts all boats.
Credit unions are more than just financial institutions. They are rooted in the communities they serve, embodying the spirit of cooperation and social responsibility. And in North Carolina, a beloved credit union is exemplifying just that. Piedmont Advantage Credit Union has been putting people above profits since 1949. It empowers its employees to be a difference and remains focused on its member owners' financial success. Piedmont Advantage continues to survive and thrive.
Early on, I was fortunate enough also to serve on the Piedmont Aviation Credit Union Credit Committee. During that time, I became extremely involved in the credit union and in the movement and realized what a tremendous asset the credit union was. It changed the lives of so many of these people.
I believe the loyalty of our members has been real key. And of course, the dedication of our board of directors, our corporate management, and also employees rendering that services to those people.
It's very important to not lose focus of what our credit union is all about. It's service, 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 putting the member first.
I think one of the most important things we faced was automobile loans. So the decision was made to consult Mr. Davis, who was president and CEO of Piedmont Airlines. The first thing that Mr. Davis said to us, "What took you so long?"
What made the first 75 years possible for Piedmont Advantage Credit Union is what will make the next 75 years as equal a success or more. Sticking to relationship banking with its Simply Service culture, Piedmont Advantage is determined to keep building off of its foundation, people over profits.
Being a member of Piedmont Advantage has been a great experience and has greatly impacted my family. Piedmont Advantage was able to help me with the secured credit building loan, and I was able to take advantage of that. You know, Debbie and the financial team here has helped me tremendously. You know, we're pre-approved and I'm able to buy a home whenever we find one, so it's been great. Other institutions that I've been with before, it's just kind of like you're a number. But here they will actually, break it down and say, we may not be able to do it right now, but if we can do this and this, then we can and get you to where you need, want to be. I have actually told people to come here and went through the same process as I have, so I know for sure that it works and they really care about their members.
We want to know what your financial goals and dreams are, and we're positioned to help you achieve those goals. And that's the Simply Service difference, and since our beginnings in 1949, that's the whole essence of what we do.
Mr. Davis tried to create a family atmosphere, not only within the company, but that atmosphere transferred over to the credit union. Every employee felt like we were a big family. We belonged to each other. We cared about each other. That, I think, has made the difference in the legacy of Piedmont Aviation, Piedmont Airlines, as well as Piedmont Advantage over the past 75 years.
For more information, visit www.pacu.com.